Welcome back. In this lesson, we're going to be learning about the usefulness of saving an assembly as a part. If you're working with a complex assembly, it's not always easy to create a simplified version of it. To work around this problem, SolidWorks lets us create a dummy assembly by saving an assembly as a part or as a parasolid. Both of these options will flatten the features and reduce rebuild time to virtually nothing. Let's begin by going to the File menu, select Save As. Under Save As Type, we'll select Part. We've got a few options here regarding which assembly geometry to include: exterior faces, exterior components, or all components. If we save the exterior faces, we'll end up with surfaces. If we save the exterior components, we're going to end up with solid bodies. All components will give us solid bodies. Let's select exterior faces and click Save. Now let's open our part. We've got 21 surface bodies. Let's close this part. No. And go to File, Save As, Save As Type. This time I'm going to save as a parasolid. And click Save. The Feature Manager design tree does look similar, but if we expand the tree, we see imported solid bodies here. The Save as Parasolid technique can be used at the part level as well. If you're working with a complex part, one way to free up computer resources and shrink your rebuild time is to save your part as a parasolid. Saving it as a parasolid reduces your rebuild time to virtually zero. However, there is a drawback. You're not able to manipulate the part. And this concludes our lesson about the Save as Part option.